Alright guys, so we are starting with Mslynn hair. So this is the packaging it's gonna come in. So I'm gonna go ahead and box her so you guys can see what you're getting. Of course, you're gonna get the unit. You're gonna get a hair net. I don't know if it's a net or a weaving cap, but I didn't use that. But yeah, it comes with the elastic band just in case your unit is too big, and also comes with some fun rubber bands. So like I said, we are here with the star of the show. This is their 22-inch 360 lace body wave wig. Yeah, like I said, I do have her in 22 inches. She is popping. Okay, so this is the construction of the unit. It does come pre-plucked, as you guys can see. Does it come pre-plucked? Yeah, I'm sorry, it does. Comes pre-plucked. These are the combs that are inside the wig. These are more so in the middle of the unit. I don't really use the wig, the clips. I just don't. But it comes with a drawstring in the back as well, and also a clip in the back just for extra security. So like I said, it is 360, so you're able to style it up in a ponytail and do what you do. So today's look is going to be more of a fall warm chocolate brown type vibe, if that makes sense. So of course we're going to have to bleach her. I don't use any hair dyes or anything to achieve this look. I just simply use only bleach. So with my bleach, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together, and I want like a pancake consistency for the batter because it will help the bleach process faster. If you guys leave it and it's like not all the way, if it's not like pancake consistency, it's going to take a little bit longer to process. Normally when you're bleaching your hair, you want to start from the ends to the roots. Now you guys see I didn't bleach the entire hair. I just wanted the roots to be like a natural brown color, the color that it comes in, and I want the ends to be like brown, chocolate, golden, blonde-ish, if that makes sense. Well, it's not really blonde, so it's like a deep blonde. I don't know how to describe colors, but I said describe colors. So yeah, I'm gonna do this to the entire wig. Like I said, I'm only taking half of this unit to color it, but when I get into the front, I'm actually going to, well, I actually did this process twice. Well, not the full head. You guys will see. So when I get done this, I'll come back and explain to you guys what I did. Alright, so after I rinsed out and let the hair dry overnight, I went ahead and took this front section and bleached it again because I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter. So I did drag the bleach up a little bit more so I can have an ombre effect. So like I said, I only did this to the front section. I didn't do the entire head. And then I brought the bleach a little bit more up further, because I took this section and I divided this section into a smaller section, just one piece, and I wanted that one to be like a little bit brighter. However, it didn't come out that way, but it still ended up cute. So it's just like I split it in half in the front part and then just colored it again, just a small section, so it can have like a, more ombre tone. I just wanted a little bit more popping in the front. So yeah, I did that actually on both sides. And yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and bleach her knots. I did tint the lace and bleach the knots as well. I didn't show me tinting the lace on camera. I do have another video on that if you guys are interested in seeing. Check the description section below. But this is what the hair is looking like once I have gone ahead and tinted the lace. Now we're gonna go ahead and install it. You guys know my everyday routine when it comes down to installing the unit. I just take some scissors and some eyebrow razors and I do cut the lace. I always advise you to do it this way because it gives it a more jagged edge, and when you go to lay down the lace, it actually makes it lay down flawlessly. So that's what we're pretty much doing here. You guys know I love the Got2b glue hairspray. I always do that. I swear by that way. It's very easy and it's easy to remove. So I'm going to do that as well. Now I don't show you guys the full install. I do full installs almost on every video, but I do show you guys a section of where I'm including this unit to, well, yeah, where I'm installing this side. So like I said, I don't do the full thing, but I'll show you guys a gist of how you do it, just in case you guys are new to this. And also be sure your blow dryer is on a cool heating setting. If not, the Got2b glue hairspray will turn white and it will be crusty and dusty, and we'd be looking all types of shit stupid. So don't do that. So yeah, here I go in to create the part. I do a little trick when I don't feel like plucking the part, because sometimes the pluck is, well, the part that you're creating has a lot of density in there, and you will have to take a tweezer to thin it out. But when you're lazy like me, I just use the concealer hack. When you put the concealer on there, it makes your part look wider than what it really is. I love this method. I've been doing it forever. So if you guys are lazy like me or not very fond of plucking, because I know I can get carried away with plucking, and my unit ends up with all types of holes in there. So we're not on that type of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten her out. I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like straightened, and then I'm gonna go in and give her a style as well, so you guys can see the color. Because I know when you color in a unit like this, it's really bland if you just leave it straight. And that's why I ended up, refilming another portion of it, because I'm like, hey, it's low-key boring. So I thought about adding a style to it. So I'll show you guys what style I ended up with. Or you guys already know because y'all sang the intro. But all right, guys, so this is another style. Now, this is a different day, different installation. Okay. So I really love how the tinting method, man, just makes my installation so easy. I don't have to worry about putting foundation and all that jazz on there. I'm just showing you guys a technique I use when I don't have my hot comb. I did lose my hot comb. I don't know where I put it, but I just go in and part it and take my little mini flat iron and get in there. I don't like a lot of density. I don't like it bulky up there, so I do go in and I just use some Fructis Garnier heat protectant, and it just thins it out, makes it look shiny, and it just does the thing. So let me just give you guys a quick update on the hair. I'm just gonna put some wand curls in there and brush it out, and that's it for the style. It's really turned out cute, but if I had a nice poppin' outfit, it would have been better, but I didn't. So here we are. So far so good. I love how the hair took the bleach. It didn't leave it dry or anything like that, because I always go in and deep condition it after I do use bleach. Like I said, this color was not achieved with any type of dye. I just got this color just using bleach. Exactly. And that's it, and that's all. So like I said, I do a deep condition treatment when I do bleach the hair, and I leave that in all night and rinse it out the next day. I haven't had any problems with this unit shedding, just the normal shedding. No tangles at all with this unit, y'all. She is fire, okay? She has a lot of body. With what I say with the curls, she does hold a curl. I'm actually wearing the hair now, and she's still holding the curl. I put the curl in this morning, and the curls have dropped just slightly, but she is still holding up very well. I don't have any complaints at all. I love that the 360 unit fit perfectly to my head. I don't like when units, because most 360 units are a little bit, they make them a little bit smaller, but this unit was a little bit big, which is great because you can customize it to make it fit. If it was vice versa, you're just straight up doomed. If it's too small, you can't make it fit bigger, So yeah, I really is filling. Is it filling or are filling? Let me stop, because y'all, excuse my grammar. But I really are, let me just not say that sentence, okay? I'm really feeling the unit, period, okay? It's TJ approved. I love it, period. No complaints at all. So all information on this hair will be down in the description section below. Please let me know what you guys think of this hair. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.